we go. I have to apologize about my video because I got to back up here. Ain't nothing like open headers, man. Well, the engine is perking good. Bang, 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 bang. Ah! Bang, bang, bang. Hell yeah. Oh, got a little Grant steering wheel put on today. Like I said, I keep hammering on this sun gun every day. New stuff. Probably outrun that Mustang right there, I hope. Country, so we're trying not to get pulled over here. Had a lot of the dash stuff out today. Getting some of the wiring for the gauges, instrument panel, tack. He does pretty good. Drove her a couple times here lately, just a few miles, slow down the road. I said C4 transmission, 308 gears, doesn't leak, no oil leaks, no water leaks. But it is a project, and I hate the yellow. The yellow paint sucks. I mean, it sucks. But we're gonna work on that. So look at this bitch running good. Download this video here. It'll be like I think number 2 or 3, and take it up again a little bit later. We gotta turn around and head back to the house.